Hi everyone, so get ready with me kasi magbabike kami. So this is so fast and it's for upload lang for YouTube para lang mabilis. The first thing that I put on my face is sunscreen, and then ayan, nagko-color corrector lang ako ng aking eye bags because look at that, so itim na. And then, kino-conceal ko lang siya gamit yung L'Oreal na concealer. Look at that concealer. Ewan ko, hindi ko alam kung sikat pa ba to. Kasi, feeling ko parang hindi ko siya nakikita ang usually ginagamit. But I love that concealer kasi tignan nyo naman. Diba? It brighten up my eyes, my face, ganon. And then, nag-ano lang ako ng, from Easy, yung contour stick, yung foundation stick nila. And then, nag-nose contour lang ako to, kasi hindi sobrang tangos ng ilong ko. And then, ayan, sineset ko na siya with my Get Ready With Me powder at ang ingay ng dog ko. And then, I do some blush. Blush on na parang, ano ba color niya? Parang orange siya. And pinatuloy ko ng pink on the middle part of my face. And then, highlighter lang. This is very, very quick makeup lang naman. And then, highlight on my nose. And then, bumalik ako sa pomade, guys. Kasi, wala lang. Parang mas maganda para talaga yung pomade nagagamitin mo for your eyebrow. Kasi tignan mo naman, talagang maganda yung pagka-glide. Talagang tignan mo naman, no? Diba? Ang taray ng kilay ko ulit. And then, ayan, magmamascara lang ako. Gamit ko yung Burn and Beast, guys. Kasi ang ganda niyan. Waterproof, smudge-proof. Ang problema, ang hirap tanggalin. Ganon. Hirap yung tanggalin sa eyes. I don't know why. Siguro ganun siya kalakas mag-hold. And then, C-makeup for to set my face. And then, lip liner from BYS. I love this lip liners kasi parang nakukontoured niya yung lips ko. And then, Anastasia Beverly Hills na lip cream. Alam mo yung pambalance. Siya yung parang ginagawa kong concealer. And then, Pink Lippy from Bare and Beast. I forgot the shade, but it's cute. Tignan mo, diba? Parang simple lang. And then, gloss from Time for Ya ba? I forgot. But anyway, ayun yung final look ko. Magbabike lang ako, pero kailangan ganyan ako ganda. So, yun lang, guys. Bye-bye! Mwah!